Master these 5 things for a successful career in auto body and paint. Hey everyone, welcome to the video. If you're new around here, my name is Garrett, and this is my 1986 Jeep Grand Wagoneer project. Every Wagoneer Wednesday at 7 p.m. I upload a brand new video on this beast, so make sure you subscribe for the project and stay tuned every Wednesday. Now let's dive straight into this video. The first point on my list is having thick skin. You've got to have thick skin in this industry. People in this industry can be harsh, people can pick on each other, and you've got to be able to joke around and learn how to take things lightly, and you got to be able to take criticism. If you get butthurt over everything that everyone says about you, or whatever the case may be, you're going to have a really hard time in this industry. Number 2 on my list is you've got to be able to work in the heat. Lots of shops across the country don't have air conditioning, and it can get pretty hot some days, whether you're doing auto body or paint. And you've got to be able to work in the heat, whether you're working on a car or painting. Stay hydrated, my friends. So bring those water bottles, bring those Gatorades in, and stay hydrated. Number 3, you've got to be able to effectively communicate with others. If you need a part for a vehicle and don't communicate that, there's gonna be problems. If you break something and don't communicate that with the people up front in the office, there's gonna be problems. Also, be honest. Always be honest. Tell the truth if you break something, or if you forget to reinstall a part, or whatever the case may be. Just be honest. It'll help you in the long run. I know it blows, but it's just the right thing to do. And also, if you don't communicate with people, there will be problems. This can be a pretty independent job at times, but if you don't communicate with the paint department or the office people up front and keep them in the loop on what's going on, there's going to be problems. Problems. Make sure you communicate. Number 4 on my list, you've got to be able to stay on your feet for 8 hours. Yes, you get a lunch break for 30 minutes to an hour or 2, depending on the shop that you're at. You've got to be able to stay on your feet for 8 hours. You got to be physically prepared to be moving in a fast-paced environment. Every vehicle ideally should be in and out of the shop within a timely fashion. Every vehicle has a timeline, be in and out. You've got to be able to keep up, stay on task, be able to work quickly, and keep up in the fast-paced environment. Number 5, show up on time. If you come in dragging your feet, you're late every single day, you're late for your shift, you won't make it in this industry. You will not climb that pay raise ladder, and you'll be left in the dust with a bad reputation. And the last thing you want is for your coworkers to be talking bad about you and saying, oh man, this guy is so lazy, he can't even show up, or he's on his phone all day. Stay off the phone, make sure you come in early, you stay late, and move with a purpose. Don't drag your feet. Move with a purpose. Hopefully these 5 things help you out if you're just getting started in this industry. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe for Wagoneer Wednesdays at 7 p.m. and more auto body and paint videos just like this. Good luck in your auto body and paint career. Until next time.